sel nädalal pidas Tapal paikneva Ameerika Ühendriikide teise ratsaväerügemendi 3. eskadron Kaitseväe keskpolügoonil lahinglaskmiseid. Erinevaid olukordi läbi mängides lasti nii 155 mm M177 suurtükist, raketikompleksist Javelin kui ka kuulipildujatest.
This is a platoon live fire exercise that the key task is to train enter and clear a trench and knock out a bunker. And then we were also able to add on engagement area development and then repel the enemy counterattack.
Everything went fantastic. We did a lot of training before this just to kind of revamp ourselves, get ourselves back into the motion, because you can never train too much. So we did a lot of training before this.
Kapten Vanderlip tõdes, et õppus oli eriti kasulik just seetõttu, et nad saaks harjuda siinsete ilmastikuoludega.
The training is very similar. We do the same training here that we would set up in Germany or in the United States. What Estonia offers is a environment that we're not used to. And everyone likes to talk about interoperability that is systems-based, is technology-based, doctrine-based, but at the end of the day, you have to be able to fight in the same environment as your allies. So you come up to Estonia, where it's much colder, where you have all the snow on the ground, and it really is building interoperability at the individual soldier level to train and keep up with the Estonian allies. So we trained a couple weeks ago with the Estonian Scouts Battalion, and what we learned during that exercise really enabled us to get after our training here and not let the cold get in our way.